Hey guys, so due to the rainy weather, kids they're at home today. Well, if it's true, because of the rainy weather, they're not going to school today, or you're just joking?
No, the ministry said I can notice that most people.
Okay. Alright, so due to the ministry warning of heavy rain, kids are at home today.
Mama, look at this.
What you guys doing?
Mama, look at this.
You already went outside to play ball? A lie. But the weather is not bad. When I go to school,
Mama, come look at this.
that's the weather.
Funny. Mama, come.
Let's see the weather. Let's see the weather. If me to send you school, me would have sent you to school, man. But the sky looks clear. Sky looks pretty clear. Yeah, see the little clouds. They might turn in something, but in general, it looks not so bad. You guys could go to school.
Funny, come.
You're just lucky today.
Mama, I have something funny. Come.
What do you have for me? Just don't give me no work on a good day. On a good Friday.
Mama, come look. Mama, come look.
What you guys doing? What you was doing in the morning? So, guys, we have something to deal with. Today we're going to set up pack and play for Mila, because she pretty outgrew her bassinet. Man, she definitely outgrew her bassinet. Oh, careful. Got the mattress fit, so today is the day we are going to set it up. So that's how it is going to look. That's how it is going to look. Let's start making reels. Hide your underwear now. It's not a garrison, man. And this one. Hide your underwear, Danny. Hide your underwear, Danny.
No, let me check.
You know what put it for me?
So what you want me to do?
Take a picture.
Come here, Leah.
Want to take a picture? Yeah, guys. And what's up here? Blessed with my neighbors, them bananas. See there? A lot of people on social media, on Instagram, were telling me to push it back. Push back, what? Yeah, see? Me assume it I go ready next week. Even though a lot of people recommended me to make plantain bananas. What me say? Plantain porridge, yeah. So it's a plantain, branch of nice plantains. Yeah, and by the way, I have neighbors on regular, so them not in Jamaica even, so plot twist. Nobody really want it, cause them not there. But me there feet. I'm in Jamaica feet. That are the cherry tree. But of course me would have give them back them plantain if somebody would come to me and question. It's not that serious. We not that want it badly. Yeah, but since nobody not there, they go waste. Like bananas, they have bananas there, but they don't live in Jamaica on the regular. See the bananas. Bananas are gonna spoil. You see? Looking at it, it breaks my heart. And I'll go to show you better. See the bananas? Wait. See bananas. Bananas, them are ready for eat. But as you see, nobody now picks them up. And them are turn slowly but surely spoil. See, I'm gonna happen with planting if I'm not gonna pick it up. Because them not there. Yeah. and I'm so glad. A lot of rain falling down on my fruit trees, yeah. So yeah, when them come and me have something for them, of course me share too. Me no greedy. If me have something, we share too. This tree grew up tremendously tall. Look at so. Tremendously tall. And Errol Pride. This is grape. Yeah, grape whining. The wine is going all over places. Here, there. It spreads. Grape spreads. Pretty good. Yes, the best season to plant, by the way, guys. It is the best time to plant right now because less sun, the ground is moist from rain falling pretty regular. Yeah, man, so it is the best. If you want to plant something now you have to put the seeds in the ground right now. I'm going to show you something. I'm not lie. I am not telling you lie, because look here. Normally them something I grow, but it does shoot now. So salad. How long I planted salad and it did not come out. Only now it started coming out. And I have a little deal here, and I did not plant it recently. I planted it when I planted it maybe 3 months ago, and I just left it. It never did nothing, and only right now it started grow. Yeah, it's a sweet pepper salad. This is Errol cucumber. Errol complain just a run, but him not see no cucumber. But it blossoms though. If you see flowers, I mean you go soon see cucumbers on it. I see, we can see little cucumbers. I'm supposed to be them. I know, but when you see flowers, you can expect soon something out of it. So all this, watch ya. What una guys I go? Where them I go? Me afraid for sure Errol, cause Errol I go sad, cause definitely know them where them I go? In the house them I go. Watch ya. Ants. Never seen ants in billions like that before. Look at so. I just go in the house and I'ma come out with something now. Yeah, big brother come out. Big brother, small brothers. Hey, need to show it to Errol. Just never wanted to disappoint you, but never disappoint you. Come, look on this. I see nothing. Look on this. Don't they go in the house?
So you see them in the house?
Me not really see them in the house. Me see them 1, 2 in the house. But looks like they go in the house. I think they go in the building.
No, in the box them have. You saying that there's a wiring piping. I'm going to throw some ants put up on it there. Come on, know what them have. Yeah, thanks for showing me, my friend. See the full cucumber.
Yeah, I'm sure it already.
Yeah, thanks for showing.
So since kids them at home, why you guys are not on the break? Cause them say storm warning, but you still have to go school.
Yeah, from the message that the same thing that I asked.
Yeah, and if you call them and ask dry pants. Chop dry pants.
No, remember with regular school, the kids them have to travel to school. The more place that the kids them live in. So there's no half day.
Oh.
You can't leave.
Alright,
60 kids per.
They're not like they can stuck on the road and find themselves in danger.
Take care of them and everything. So.
Yeah, so yeah, Errol school runs like a campus. Yeah, like a dorm. I'm gonna check out Miller. What cold? Somebody have cold? Errol, somebody have cold? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, whatever it is. Alright. I'll go check. Mila. Shh, don't scream. We're just checking. We're not waking her up. We're just a check. She's not sleeping. She is awake. She is just laying down. She is just watching something. Watching the fan. But you can't see it in the dark though. Mila loves to watch fans. And it saved me a lot of time. Yeah. Because sometimes she can lay down for an hour and look at the fans. We have one in the room and we have one in the living room. That's amazing. Yeah. Your hands are clean, Daniel? Go wash your hands. Daniel, go wash your hands and come see Mila. Hey, goo, 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 goo. Hey, good morning, Miliakos. Good morning, Mr. President, Mrs. President. Yay. Yes, that's the person who runs the show in our house right now. That's why I call her Mrs. President. Yeah, Mrs. President. Because you run we in the house. You run we show. Good job. Now you can touch her. You brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we eat.
You eat already? Okay. Good job.
Don't we?
Yeah, but Mila does not sleep on the bed. It's just, because in the morning I had to breastfeed her, so I just lower her on the bed. But normally, that's a sleeping place. Bassinet. It's her one and only bed where she sleeps in. But right now, like I said, she outgrew it. So we have to change it. And she's going to sleep in pack and play. Yep. She loved the bassinet door. I would recommend definitely because it's small and it keeps kids like them love it more than normal crib because normal crib too big for the start, as I think. Normal crib is big for the start. So bassinet is perfection for the start when you just have the baby because space is limited and they feel like they are safer in bassinets and they sleep better, much better. That's why probably bassinet worked out with Mila because my kids, they had cribs from born and they did not want cough it to the side, just turn to the side and cough. Don't cough on her. Here, so they never slept in their cribs. Yeah, but Mila, maybe she's a girl, that's why. Maybe she's a girl, she's just different. She's just built different. I don't know, but it works for us. Separate sleeping is our choice, definitely. What happened?
Mila vomit. She puked.
She puked?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. She didn't vomit, she puked.
Mm-hmm.
It's a puke. Okay, I'm gonna get her. Daniel, time to spread your bed. Come, you don't leave it like this. Come on, spread your bed. Yes. It's almost first thing in the morning. After you woke up, you have to spread the bed. Like the material though, but we had the cover for the blanket, you see, because it's not fixed. So just blankets inside just freely, and sometimes they just roll and fall inside this cover and they cannot manage it. So sometimes I may forget it, but I like the material though. Alright, Daddy is gonna set up our pack and play for Mila. She's a big girl now. She needs more space.
Can't sleep there, so bassinet.
Yeah, but she loved it. Can't say I wasted money because she loved it.
You know, great over
Yeah, she's not even 3 months, but maybe she can go in it for half of the months, but after, impossible.
I'm not gonna jump the gun. I kind of feel like it's not hard to set up. Yeah, it look like it's already set up already, like I do something for 4 hours.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
I'm praying that. Pray.
Pray not gonna take her words back. First time we having something like that. I never had this with boys. I wonder why they drop from the bed
Jesus.
so many times. We never had this.
Yeah. You know, please,
Yeah, that looks nice. Quite nasty. You have to fix it. Alright. Earl gone on YouTube. Yeah, guys. So this is how Mila begin her bassinet. Yeah, she definitely can go half of the months, maybe 1 month more, but she will not feel comfortable as she likes to move her hands. She likes to move her feet, little feet here, and it's kind of getting stiff. Yeah, let's say 1 to 3 months bassinet worked perfect. No, me no good. Put it down. I can't help you with this. Don't involve me in this, please. Okay, Max set up the stroller, but mosquitoes don't bite you. Even in the house, I got one mosquito bite. Yeah, guys, we have to plug those things everywhere around the house because it's a rainy season and mosquitoes, they just nuff. Be careful of dengue fever because where Errol works, plenty people already caught it. Here, caught dengue fever. Yeah, dengue fever is real. It exists. So take it serious, especially right now in the rainy season. That's why, Errol, you always rub yourself with mosquito spray. You don't like to rub yourself because you're too lazy.
No, I'm doing it. I'm used to mosquito.
You're used to it. You can catch dengue fever again and again, though.
I don't know what that is. One time you could catch it.
Yeah, guys, what do you think about it? If Errol is right, only one time you can catch dengue fever. He caught it when he was young, but
almost died.
see there? Oh, the mattress probably supposed to go here on this something. Alright, me get it. Because for now, I need only that. Mila is just laying down. Baby, for now. Infant. She just lays down. She does not stand up. She does not sit up. So, only that we need.
Oh, I mean, it's good on the
Yeah, you can, you need to unfold the mattress. So, only one thing left. Mattress. See there? There go. Whoops. Yeah, you can't feed the bassinet. Let's hope they got feed the bassinet. Yeah, it was pressed for too long, rolled. Now the pack for too long. Can't fit? Amazing. Yeah, big up Krista. Big up Auntie Krista.
Yeah. What is this? Mila, mommy did something.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did.
Yes.
And so mommy put
I'm
on.
not that helpless.
Yeah, mommy finish up the job. So Mila can look up at the stars, whether it's in the night or in the morning, and sleep.
Sleep.
You have feet for fit this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Perfection.
Mila, step up in her life. Yeah, see.
Let me show her. New place. She's going to sleep. Yeah, look.
Mila, you think step up. Thank Auntie Krista, Mila, you like step up.
Like this?
So what are going? You see what's going on, my baby? My
You like
baby
it?
girl.
You like it?
Step up in her life.
I can't put it in because we don't have shit on it. But look at it. Nice? Right, so that's how it looks. Yeah. She looks curious. Carol wanted to go watch Jamaica national team play against Canada. Obviously, I'm not going because I don't go crowded places with the baby. Yeah, can't manage. So he can take kids and go watch the match with them. Okay, I ain't going. I'm staying in my comfortable zone for now. In my comfort zone, not coming out. Got too much things to deal with, you know. Yeah, plus, you know, me notice every time we go on the road with baby and the place pretty crowded and a lot of different energy. When we come home, she can't fall asleep easy. Yeah, and she kinda acts fussy. Time I go change and we go back on the road. But then again, we can't do road regular because right now Errol, he got a job. And time is so limited. The time he can spend with the family is so limited. Something is on the way. But I'm not gonna tell you about it for now. But you guys gonna soon see everything. Big surprise, big announcement. Yeah. But you know, we have to bounce with it. Right now I really enjoying being a mother to a little girl. It's completely different experience, but I love the experience, even though sometimes I feel super tired, extra tired, my head has spin and me have to leave on coffee, you know, every morning I have to start with a coffee. But I really love taking care of her. It's just different having a daughter. I think every woman should have a daughter, just to know that feeling. It is a different feeling. I know just the other day I saw a post about motherhood and it said having a daughter is like to have a broke little friend who is always by your side and depend on you and just par on you, pay for everything. You won't mind because it is so amazing to have a daughter. Really amazing. Because I was having before boys experience, but boys they're a little bit different from girls. Yeah, they definitely not a little bit, but them different. It's just pretty. It's just pretty to be a mother of a daughter. It is pretty. That's how I can describe. Yeah. So, you know, right now Jamaica, we in November. Yeah, man. November, December. Oh my God! Next month, Christmas. Time flies, right? Yeah. So this month's November and the weather started to change already. So if you're traveling to Jamaica during that time, November, December, January, February, make sure you have some long sleeves with you, because trust me, some areas, if you don't travel to Portmore, like if you travel to Portmore, scrap it. You don't need my advice because Portmore ever boiling hot. But if you travel somewhere to St. Anne's and you know, countryside parts, yeah, St. Mary and those areas, they can be chilly. Yeah, man, best believe. Yeah, so make sure you're gonna pack up your suitcase with some sweaters, sweater. Yeah, make sure it's in your bag, sweater. Yeah, I would even recommend you to bring a pair of joggers. Yeah, that's how chilly it can be. and some hoodie. Just have a hoodie in your bag in case. It is going to be very cozy. It is going to be very cozy because Christmas is always cozy. Like the area where I am, St. Anne, it's very cozy when it's Christmas time. So I had to go online and order 2 jackets for the kids because the cozy time is on the way. And unluckily, the online store, they never had the same style. They never had the same print on jackets. So right now, I don't know if my boys, they outgrow that thing. They want the same clothes. They used to want the same clothes, the same toys, the same colors. But right now, I'm going to test them if they outgrow it, because I ordered 2 jackets for them. They are the same type of jackets, but they are in different colors and they have different print on. So right now, I'm gonna see if I wanna go vex. I bought jackets for you. This is for you. It's brown. It's bigger. This is for you. Smaller. Yeah, this one else.
It's Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
But your jacket is cool too, Leah. It's classy.
What is it?
It's just a jacket. Try
I'm
it.
gonna go wear it. Mama, how come you? Where do you get it from?
I bought it in America.
America?
Hmm
Where did
I ordered it online. No, Daddy didn't go to America. I just ordered it online. What's up?
Is there anything to learn?
Oh no, it does not have it. You're gonna have to take umbrella with you so you don't get wet.
And I'm Spider-Man.
Guys, Lionel run come call daddy. Say, look here. I finally came and said,
Can I see
"Going on?"
this?
No, Ronaldo.
I want to just see. And look, see, is Mila.
It's Mila living her best life.
Mila's trying to walk.
No, Mila's trying to
But
crawl.
she's trying to crawl over the bed.
She's trying to crawl over the bed. Mila's getting a massage. Her mama,
Actually,
you done?
should show you how we do bicycle.
Hmm.
How we do bicycle with Mila.
How much the bicycle?
Like that. Yeah, we show you bicycle. Come. We show you bicycle. Let's show it. Bicycle. How the bicycle. Yay! Mila on the bicycle, yeah?
And holding
No.
the stick.
And you go back. Yay! Finish.
Come on.
So guys,
Come on, back.
doing opening art museum in kids room.
The kids on put them projects. Them artwork
Daddy, come
on their
on.
wall. You made this one, no?
Yeah,
What is this?
like a flower.
Wow.
And I made 2 butterflies. I made 2 butterflies.
You like doing artwork, Leo?
Put the other one.
Да?
Right here.
Скажи, это поделка.
Say more.
Поделка. Поделка, да.
Красиво. Daddy, but we know that we have 3 pictures. One
Careful,
is right
careful.
here. Daddy, that one
Yeah.
is right here.
What's that,
And
Danny?
one is.
What does that mean?
It's a fighting.
What? Come here, explain.
Ow.
You fighting?
Yeah,
Who are you fighting?
those people.
So when the kids move out, I remember that they live here.
Daddy, can you stay with us for a second?
See, I don't go to bar, major.
But Daddy, I don't want to move out here.
Want to go over there?
I want to stay. Let's go.
Can't stay here forever. You're a big boy. You're a big boy. You have to go there and buy your own house
Let's go. Get
and
up.
have your own family.
But this house will be all the people.
Yeah, you guys are mashed up. I'm joking. But it's good life. You have to grow up and be a big man. So that is big, and I'm not with my mom and daddy anymore. So you're gonna be. You can come visit. You can come visit me. I'll be here with mommy. You can come over.
Daddy Mila is looking at you.
Yeah, Mila's checking out daddy. Hey. Yeah, Mila, see brother. Mila, when you gonna start to work on your room? Yeah, you're gonna work on Mila's room next. Mila, you're working on your room, okay? So we need to be a need to do a vlog showing Mila's new room. Bedtime, guys, bedtime.
No. Can I say this for a second?
I want to sleep with you for a second.
Night.
Hey.